Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming eligibility. Unidays only accepts enrolled students or staff from listed institutions, so check that first. Next, create your Unidays account using your school email or upload a valid student ID. This verifies identity and unlocks discounts. Once done, verify your email and complete any profile fields Unidays requests. Doing this now saves time at checkout and establishes your verified status before you search for Apple. You now find the Apple offer inside Unidays. Search or filter by brand, because Apple deals can vary by country and product. Read the offer details carefully. Some are direct links that take you to Apple's education store, others provide a coupon code, and some require a verification token at checkout. Once you claim the offer, copy the code or follow the link. Make sure the claim is active and matches the product you want so you don't lose the price at the next step. You finish by completing the purchase on Apple. Sign into your Apple ID, use the Unidays link or paste the code in the promo field, and confirm the student discount shows before you pay. Save screenshots of the applied discount and final receipt for records. If the code is rejected, reopen Unidays to re-verify your status, check regional restrictions, and retry. If that fails, contact Unidays or Apple support with your screenshots so they can resolve the verification or redemption issue.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.